again. It's just only a K later. But just have a look at that moody sky. Let me just turn the GoPro up a little bit. Get a different view. But exciting. Let's see what that looks like. God, lovely, beautiful, stormy cloud. I've had a tiny spit and spot of rain as I've been going. I didn't even see that cloud up there till I look now. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Nice big truck ahead. Let's do a nice bypass. Mr. Truck. Anyway, I'm trying to look at the scenery. Our stabilizing GoPro should do its stabilizing, I hope. I don't know what the sky's like behind me. Let me just turn it up a bit. It's a bye-bye view. As far as I can go. I can only twist it 180. The sun coming out. See if I can catch that sun nicely. Could be a lovely shot. Woo! Bloody filmography on the go. Back to center. Okay, that was a bit of fun. Rain up ahead somewhere. Oh, they're like purple clouds. I don't know what they are. Thick, lovely. See you later.